Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Guys, when we are in a relationship, most of the time these days, the kind of dynamics that have started building in the today's couple is very different. When people come to me for counseling, the kind of issues that they address, the kind of problems that they voice it out to me, I find it really in my simple plain language, if you have to ask me, silly, totally silly. Let me tell you just one thing. The day you stop evaluating your relationship and you start only trusting and giving in that relationship, half your problems are sorted. So the whole problem today is that we are continuously trying to evaluate. Who's right, who's wrong. You've done this, you've done that. You shouldn't have done this. I did this for you. You did that for me. All of that mess. The whole idea is you have to just stop evaluating your partner, be it anybody. Just try and give them that time, that ease, that understand that relationship. I'm sure you will be able to understand way more better if you're giving yourself that time and understanding. Please understand one thing, my dear friends. If you have that one person with you who understands you in the best of your times, he or she is somebody to hold on. And if the same person is there for you even in the worst of your times, and he's able to understand your situation, even when you're having the most roughest patch and the toughest of your time, then you should be really, really holding on tight to that person, because it is very difficult to find somebody like that who understands you in any and every situation in your life. Today's couples, today's generation, I see, just want to run behind options. What if this guy has this, but the other guy has this. The point is, what is that you want your partner to have? What is important for you? Please make a very clear wish list in your head of what is your requirement. Is being emotionally attached to you more important than being get financial support from your partner? You just have to have your priorities, your checklist right. Once that is there, it becomes easier for you to decide on what you want in life. So please, next time when you are in a relationship, stop evaluating and just start accepting and understanding. You will definitely be able to move on and move ahead in your relationship. Do let me know how this thought clicked with you, and please subscribe to my channel for more such happiness and positivity relationship updates. Until then, is me Neha signing off. Bye.